For as long as we have looked up, we have looked out. We have gazed at the tapestry of the night sky, a sea of glittering diamonds on black velvet, and we have asked the same questions. Are we alone? For generations our tools were simple, our eyes, then crude telescopes. But we kept building, we kept dreaming. So what exactly is this object? This 3I/Atlas? Let us take a moment to understand why its arrival matters. Our solar system is like a small, secluded island in the vast ocean of the Milky Way. Everything we have studied up close, the planets, the asteroids, the comets, was born from the same cloud of gas and dust as our sun. But out there are other islands, other solar systems, with their own suns, their own planets, their own histories. Sometimes a piece of one of those islands gets ejected into the ocean, an interstellar wanderer. These visitors are incredibly rare and hard to find. Before 3I/Atlas, we had only seen two. First, Oumuamua. Second, 2I/Borisov. Both were tantalizing, like blurry postcards from another world. 3I/Atlas is the third confirmed visitor, but the first seen with the unprecedented power of Webb. Not a glimpse, a detailed portrait. And the image it captured is now being studied with a mixture of awe and profound concern. It is a story that begins with a simple designation. They called it 3I/Atlas. Reveal a long, dark central body with three curved structures set against distant stars. It hung like a strange jewel against the inky black of space. It was not a tumbling, irregular, potato-shaped rock. It was not a fuzzy comet. It was something else. Something with startling, deliberate geometry. The object itself is enormous, estimated to be over 10 kilometers long. It is dark, absorbing most of the light that falls upon it, but its shape is what caused the immediate stir. It is elongated, yes, but with a startling regularity. A long, slender central body with three identical curved appendages, appendage 1, appendage 2, appendage 3. Webb's infrared eye detected a network of fine, straight lines etched across the main body. They intersect at perfect right angles, a grid-like pattern, too orderly to be random geology. Our brains are hardwired to find patterns. Pattern recognition is a survival tool. Imagine finding a perfect cube on a deserted beach. You would stop. You would know intelligence did this. That is the feeling scientists had when they saw the image of 3I/Atlas. It whispers a word scientists use very cautiously: artificial. If artificial, it changes everything. When astronomers study an object, they do more than take a picture. They use a spectrograph, like a sophisticated prism. Within that rainbow are lines, a barcode that tells us exactly what an object is made of. The barcode of 3I/Atlas is unlike anything we have ever seen. Its faint halo is not water. It is composed of glowing ionized argon and xenon. To ionize noble gases, you need to pump in enormous energy. There is no obvious power source in cold interstellar space. Webb also detected a faint modulated light, pulsing in a complex aperiodic pattern. Within noise, scientists found structure. ... They are running massive analyses to see if it contains information. The appearance of an object like 3I/Atlas forces us to confront some of our oldest fears. For centuries, our stories have been filled with visitors from the sky. Angels, invaders, conquerors. On Earth, when an advanced civilization meets a less advanced one, the results are rarely good for the less advanced. We are projecting our own behavior onto the cosmos. This fear is amplified by the great filter question. If the universe is so big, where is everybody? Maybe advanced civilizations destroy themselves. Maybe they leave behind relics. What if 3I/Atlas is a derelict, a ghost ship, its glow the last gasp of a dying reactor? Or what if it is fully functional, a probe exploring the galaxy? Its appearance would mean we are no longer hidden. In the weeks since its discovery, a strange quiet has descended. 3I/Atlas continues on its path, a silent spectre moving through our solar system. It will be closest to Earth in early 2026, before it slingshots around the sun and heads back into interstellar darkness. Every radio telescope on the planet is now trained on it, listening for anything. So far, there's been nothing but the whisper of its xenon halo and the cryptic pulsing of its reflected light. The silence is deafening. Scientists are in a race, using every instrument at their disposal. Webb, Hubble, ALMA, Mauna Kea, ground-based observatories worldwide are trying to decode the light. Every new piece of data is scrutinized, debated, reanalyzed. So what does this all mean for us here on our little world? This visitor, whether a natural marvel or a technological spectre, has given us a gift, perspective. It pulls our gaze away from small horizons and points us toward the stars. Ignite our curiosity, inspire engineers, artists, thinkers, ask bigger questions, seek bolder answers, work together as a single species facing the grandest frontier. Learn, explore, grow, inspire a new generation of scientists and explorers. We may never fully understand what James Webb saw. Its true nature may remain unknown long after it leaves. But the questions will echo for generations. The universe has whispered a secret. Now it is up to us to listen. Please like and subscribe to Cosmic Discover.